Good morning. Vijay Balkar, health coach from Mumbai. The power of belief in healing. Do you know what the first step to reverse type 2 diabetes is all about? Belief. If you believe, you can improve. Your mind and body will start working. The science shows mindset changes our hormones and stress levels. Your cortisol and adrenal will be converted into four happy hormones, and your stress will reduce your insulin resistance and reverse your type 2 diabetes in 90 days. So the question is, if you can believe I can heal myself, that's it. That's your first step to reverse your type 2 diabetes. Join the community of Read to Live. What are you waiting for?